Here's how to fix if Apple Intelligence is not showing up on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you want to enable Apple Intelligence or the AI on your iPhone, but you don't know how to get it or it's not showing up properly, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, if I open up this web page, basically it shows Apple Intelligence requirements for your iPhone. Now, there are a number of different requirements. Let's walk through those. The first one is you need one of these iPhones, iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 15, 15 Pro, etc. Now, if you don't necessarily know which iPhone you have, you can always hop into your settings, tap on General, and then About. And you'll be able to see at the very top, it says model name, and I have an iPhone 16 Pro. So again, you need an iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 15, 15 Pro. But you also need other things to enable Apple Intelligence and have it show up. You need iOS 18.1, so that is the latest operating system. You need a device or language set to the supported language, which it shows them on here. So I am in the United States, I speak English, so I choose English, but you can see a number of other languages that are either available now or will become available down the road to enable Apple Intelligence. And then the last requirement is you need 4 gigabytes of space on your iPhone. If you don't necessarily know how much space you have, you can always head back into your settings. We'll go back, tap on iPhone storage, and basically here you need to be able to see that you have 4 gigabytes free on your iPhone. Now, after we've done all that, you need to make sure you have a software update. Tap on the software update. If you have iOS 18.1 or later, then you're good to go. So you need to meet all of those requirements. And then after you've done that, we can go back here and you'll be able to see under the action button is Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on that and you should be able to either see the Apple Intelligence toggle where you just toggle it on or off, or it might say join the Apple Intelligence waitlist. If it does say that, just tap on the button and essentially it adds you to a waitlist. For whatever reason, they make you do this, but it takes like 10-15 minutes for it to be enabled. I've never had to wait longer than 10 or 15 minutes. So just hit the join Apple Intelligence waitlist. And then after they say, all right, you're good to go, 10-15 minutes later, you just turn it on. Keep in mind, it will download up to 4 gigabytes of data onto your iPhone. But after that, you'll be able to use it. You can tap and hold that side button there. And it makes this really cool ring of colors around your phone, indicating that it is working. But it also allows other stuff like proofreading, editing text, editing photos, all of that stuff. And down the road, it will include other stuff like Genmojis, ChatGPT, and other AI features that are built into all the apps on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.